Today is Thursday, May 7th. We're here at 433 North Frolic in Waukegan, Illinois. And today we're going to be performing an attempted repair on this shingle right here. And in order to remove this shingle labeled 1, we must also have to remove shingle 2 and shingle 3. Reason for that is because the way shingle 1 is nailed in is nail points are all up here. And we must remove these shingles 2 and 3, in order to get those nails out so we can remove this shingle. So we will begin this attempted repair. And I forgot to mention, we are on the shed. This is the shed. As you can see, some granular loss right here. And I'm going as gentle as possible using the roofing snake, which is suggested and preferred through the insurance. See, we have more granular loss right there. Even more granular loss. On one shingle labeled 1, we have 3 points of impact alone. That's just on shingle 1. We're gonna go ahead and proceed on shingle 2, attempting to remove. There we go. Point of impact right there, granular loss. This one's coming up. We have a tear in the shingle. That's another point of failure. Oh, there goes a tear right there. I'll show you a tear right there. On shingle 2 alone, we have 3 points of impact, and that's just on shingle 2. We're gonna go ahead and proceed on shingle 3. This one comes perfectly fine. See, granular loss. Chalk kind of got in the way, but you can see the granular loss right there. Bit more granular loss right here. Little tiny tear right there. Here we go. Another point of impact. So on shingle 1, we have 3 points of impact. On shingle 2, we have 3 more points of impact, and on shingle 3, we have 4 points of impact. In total, that's 10 points of impact. Just trying to remove this shingle. This attempted repair has failed, and we will no longer proceed due to the fact that we're just going to keep damaging shingles.